Hi ho. So I'm laughing now because I'm like, this is so not me. I'm not like a kitchen person. But when I am in the kitchen, I always like follow what Spirit's guidance is. And anyway, so I was out walking tonight and I did not expect to go berry picking, but the strawberries were everywhere and they were calling to me. So I went ahead and got a bunch of strawberries. And here's the tip. So, and this is out. You can Google this. It's all over the place about how to care for fruit and vegetables and things like that when you want to get any chemicals or toxins. Or for me, these are wild strawberries, so that means there's bear, moose, dog pee probably all over it. And so yeah, so I'll just show you a few of them. So just they're little teeny tiny, but oh my gosh, they pack some powerful taste. They are some of the best strawberries I've ever had. So what you do is you put them in a bowl. And again, you know, some people are not squeamish about eating, you know, stuff that's out in the wild, even though it's got pee on it. I, however, not a fan. So I'm just going to take apple cider vinegar. I usually take like a organic one, and I'm just going to fill the cap and just put it on there. And then I'm going to fill this bowl up with water and let it soak for a few minutes. Or actually, you know, just a few. You can even just use regular vinegar. I was watching, God, I don't remember who it was, but some scientist that had done a study about soaking in apple cider vinegar, and that when you do that, it actually removed all the toxins, and made what you're eating completely safe. And so I kind of switched from using just vinegar to apple cider vinegar instead. But anyway, so I'm just going to let it soak for a few minutes, and then I'll strain it and drain it, and yeah. And then, you know, you can always, you know, ask your crystal, a pendulum, something like that, you know, for, you know, to make sure that it's clear, or if you should soak them longer. And yeah, so yeah, enjoy.